Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the having clause in structured query language. The having clause and the where clause, both of these are pretty similar to each other. Both of these clauses are used with some condition, but we use the having clause because the where clause cannot be used with the aggregate function like the sum, average, count, mean, max, etc. Like an example, we have written select count of employee and country from the table employee, and we are grouping them by country, and then we have used the having clause because we can use the aggregate function with the having clause. So we have written having count of employee greater than 10. So this query will return the number of employee in each country with more than 10 employee. So this is the way, instead of using the where clause, we can use the having clause, which will let us use the aggregate functions. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.